Baby, why your man not here? Tell me where he gone. Tell me why your man not here.
Alright everyone, the hair I'll be using is from a company called VRBest Hair. And this is how the packaging came. And the hair I have is the Indian Deep Wave in 22, 22, 22 and a 20-inch closure. Okay, I've already sewed down the closure. Now we're just going to take the bundles and measure it from side to side, and then we're going to cut the width. And I placed the plastic bag under my wig cap so it doesn't stick to the mannequin when I put the glue onto the hair. Then we're going to take our hot glue and start placing down our widths, going right around the side.
Summer comes around, yeah, he should be around you. Yeah, he should be. And I'm not trying to be a hater, but tell me why you stay with him. Yeah, baby girl, you great.
And we're just going to repeat the steps, cut the tracks, and lay them with the hot glue gun all the way from ear to ear, going right around. Now this is my first time doing the hot glue gun method, you guys, so for those of you it's your first time, it's my first time too, so let's learn together and see how this turns out.
Go down, yeah, and I'm making my moves, yeah. Ooh, you know, yeah. Just tell me when the lights. Oh, baby, why your man not here? Tell me where he gone. Tell me why your man not here. Tell me why isn't he here? Why isn't he here? Yeah. You need somebody else to be there for you, girl. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you. That's me. You know I'm waving. Yeah, I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby. You know I'm waving. You know I, baby, wave, baby. I'm waving, you know I wave, baby. Wave, you know I waving, ooh, you know I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby, waving. When the summer comes around, you know he should be. When the summer comes around,
Alright everyone, here's the finished look. As you could see, like I told you, it's the first time I'm using the glue gun, hot glue gun method. So I think it turned out very nice. I think it turned out really nice. It's a lot faster. I guess you could say it's easier in some opinion. I like sewing my wigs, so I don't know about easier, but I found it more hectic with the glue gun, and I didn't like when the wig was done, you could see the white glue spots on the edges. I didn't like that, so I had to use a black marker, a permanent black marker, and I just edged in the little white parts of the glue that were showing at the front. Yeah, you guys, that I don't like. Anyways, back to my wig. I love the hair. The company I got it from is VRBest Hair. Yeah, VRBest Hair, I'll put the name here, VRBest Hair Company. I got it from, and it's the Indian Deep Wave. Hell yes. Wanted to try something different, so I did. I said I'd buy the Indian Deep Wave. It's soft. I wanted to try something different, and when I saw that they had Indian, I said let me try Indian. I've tried Malaysian, I've tried Brazilian, so I said let me try Indian Deep Wave. Yeah, and it's nice. I like it. I do. I really do. It's nice and soft. I'm not getting any tangling. Now, if you want your hair more tamed, you could spritz it down, and you can use mousse. You can use what do I use? Eco Styler gel and all that, and that will keep it more the curls more put together, you know, more low, laying flat. I don't. I like it to be a little bit buffy, so I've been playing with it. I did. After I wash it, it was tamed, but I keep playing with it because I want it to frizz out. I like when it's bigger, you know, I like the big poofy hair. Yeah, but this hair is so nice. Shedding now, you guys. OMG. Because making the wig, I had to cut the wefts, because when you do the hot glue, you have to cut the wefts. So I did get shedding from me cutting it. Prior to cutting it, I didn't have shedding in the hair. When it came, I ran my fingers through it. After I cut it, now I did have shedding. And what I did was, after I finished the wig, before I washed it, I just went through with my fingers and finger combed out all the loose ends that I got. I combed them out with my fingers, got them out, then I washed my wig. And then now I'm okay. Now I'm okay. And then again, I don't know if the glue probably glues in the wefts after I cut them, but the strands that were left out, those are the ones that I combed out. And like I said, after that, I'm not having any shedding problem, which is good. Yeah, because I've never had to cut so much wefts since I've been making wigs. Yeah, because with this hot glue gun, you have to cut the wefts. OMG, I don't know if I'll be doing it again. I really don't know if I will be doing it again. But like I said, this here is the bomb.com. Yes, I love it. I love the curls. I love the way it feels. It feels really nice. And dealing with the company was very good. Their shipping was fast. Didn't take long. And when I say the shipping is fast, you know it's fast because I'm in Canada. So it always takes longer to get to me. And it's good. If you're in America, you know, tutus, it's there at your doorstep. For me, it takes a little longer, but you know, it's been fast. It came fast, so I like that. Yeah, and this here, like I said, is really, really nice. Really nice. And you guys see the curls? See, right down to the ends look good. It's very nice. I like it. And I got, yeah, the 22. I told you. I wanted to get longer bangs. Like you guys know, I've been experimenting with longer bangs. With my wefts. With my bundles. I was getting shorter bangs, and I said, let me get longer bangs. Yeah, and I like it. I like how it flows into the hair more. You know, when you don't want too much of a layered look, you know, get longer bangs to go with your bundles. Yeah, I love it. It's absolutely nice. And VRBest Hair, their prices are very reasonable, you guys. Like I said, I always look for deals. So their prices are very reasonable for their bundle deals. And they have lots of hairs on their site. Different textures, curly, straight, body wave, jerry curl, whatever you want. It's there. You can go on their site. I'm going to leave the link below for you guys to go over and check out VRBest and get something nice for yourself. Yep. You know, back to school is coming. Like I said, get some hair. Either you sew it in or make yourself a wig. Either way, it's just fine. Fix up yourself and make yourself feel good. Alright everyone, don't forget to check the link down below. And thank you for coming on and seeing my Indian Deep Wave hair that I had for review for you guys. And my wig. Oh God, making the glue. Oh, the wig with the glue. OMG, you guys. Anyways, I hope I helped somebody with that. Okay, you guys. Remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye.
I'm not trying to be a hater.